Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add links to buttons and elements in Depicter. Let's start with this pop-up. To add a link to its button, select the button. Go to Options and paste your desired link under the Link Element section. Here, we're adding Depicter app download link. Let's preview our work. When you click the button, the download link will open right away. Next, let's add a link to this text. Select the text and in the right sidebar, underline it to indicate a link. Go to Options and paste your desired link in the Link Element section. Enable hover styles and slightly increase the scale to feel more like a text with a link. Click on Preview and voila! Your text now has a clickable link. Last but not least, I want to give this Flux logo the website link. With it selected, go to Options. Here, paste the Flux theme website link in the Link Element section. Let's preview how it turned out. When you click on the Flux logo, you're immediately taken to the website. I hope this tutorial helped you add links to your buttons, text, and images in Depicter. Thanks for watching.